performing MITM attack and hijack session using driftnet and urlsnarf. Here I have two machines, Kali Linux and Windows 8. Windows 10 has IP address 172.20.10.4 and it has gateway address 172.20.10.1, and Kali Linux has IP address 172.20.10.3 and I can ping to 172.20.10.4. Now I will hijack session of the Windows 8 operating system in Kali Linux using driftnet and urlsnarf tool. So first we need to set IP routing in Kali Linux. So this command will set IP routing in Kali Linux. It will enable IP routing in Kali Linux operating system. So now run command iptables tnet rerouting destination 80 redirect port to the 8080. Now enable ARP spoof for interface Ethernet 0 for IP address 172.20.10.4 and gateway will be 172.20.10.1. Now just open another terminal and run command driftnet eth 0. Same run another terminal and run urlsnarf eth 0. Now here both terminal are running driftnet and urlsnarf. We run driftnet and poisoning is also started using ARP spoof. So now go to the Windows 8 operating system, open browser and search for a website like msn.com. Page is can't display. Let me ping to the google.com. I can open Google. So just open google.com. Here you can see I am not able to open Google also. So what is the issue? So just go to the Kali box, open another terminal and run SSL strip for port P, define L and 8080, and now go to the Windows 8 machine, close it and open Internet Explorer. Here you can see I can open website now. Now just go to the Kali box. Here you can see, I can see image that is available on this browser. Now just open Google. And now search for Narendra Modi. Go to the images. Now go to the Kali box. Here you can see, we can see all the images of Narendra Modi. So hope you understand how we can perform MITM attack and hijack on established session using driftnet and urlsnarf. We can also gather all the informations on urlsnarf. Here you can see we can hijack session. It is all the details of sessions. So thank you for watching this video.